Hi guys, welcome back to my fake cooking show. And then today we're doing black beans and rice. I had the rice over here already cooked. I did lime and cilantro. You can barely see it. And then I did one lime and then I 4 sprinkle with the cilantro. Not really that much, unless you like it. So you can do fresh or dry, but I have dry right now, so I did dry. And then for the black beans and rice, we're going to dice up one bell pepper, one onions, and half box of mushroom. And then we're going to saute them until they are all cooked. Then we'll add some 4 cups of water to start with. And then we do 1 tablespoon of garlic. And then we have salt and pepper. Salt and pepper, do 3 shakes. If you do too much, it'll be spicy, you know what. Salt, I normally do about a couple pinches. You don't need that much either. You just add some flavor in it. Cilantro, I also put in here. I did 3 sprinkles as well. Just add some more flavor in the beans. And then after I add all the stir, and then I have black beans, 27 ounces of thing of it. So I have 3 cans in here. So, and then we also
3
have
cans and each one was 27 ounces?
Yeah, 1 can is 27 ounces.
Okay.
And then I did petite dice tomato. You can do with jalapeno or whatever you have, and then this is 14.5 ounces. So I put 3 of this and 1 of this in there, and then I stir it really well. And then when it starts boiling, you can see there's foam already up here, and we're going to take those out. If you whisk your beans really well, you should not have all of this foam. So try to whisk really well, and then you do not have to do this very well. And then for the topping for the black beans and rice I have so we have vegan cheese right here. You can find them at HEB, and there's also another brand of it at Walmart. So this mozzarella style as well, so maybe that's like that kind.
So that one's cheddar?
No, this one's it's a Mexican style cheddar. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is cheddar, and then we have jalapeno for topping for those who like spicy, and then we have salsa. And then for my last thing is optional. If you guys want more flavor, we put this on the side because my family does not really like it. So they just add their own. This add more the tomato taste if you have more tomato, and yeah. And I think that's pretty much it for all this ingredient in here. And then we're going to get started and see how they turn out. Let's see, let me take out more foam. Yeah, let this boil for maybe 20 minutes so all the flavor cut together, and then tastes better that way. Okay, so we're going to put some rice in here. And then I have some right here to see how it turned out. I have put some vegan cheese in it. And put all this stuff. And now I'm going to try. so you guys see how it turned out like this. And then I'm gonna try it and see how it turned out. It turned out really good, and I hope you guys like it. And then our next cooking show will be I can't think of it name. See you guys next time. Bye.